everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your CP Rail employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in employees.cpr.ca and press enter. CPR, or Canadian Pacific Railway, offers transportation services and supply chain expertise across North America. To log into your CPR employee account, you'll need to type in your username and your password in the text box appearing on the left-hand side of this page. Start off by typing in your valid username for your employee account and enter your password on the next field. Click the Log On button after you are done in order to access your employee account for CPR. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.